Hi, I'm Lakshmi Naveen. I am from Karnataka, India. I have completed my masters in 2018. Later, I got married. After marriage, I wanted to do job. Due to pandemic situations, I couldn't go out for the job. Then I have decided to take online course so that I can train myself and also utilize my time. Then I found a post in AttainU. AttainU will provide complete full stack web development course along with the placement and with the certification of the course. The interesting point which I like was pay later and get placed first. I like this concept and I thought I would like to join in AttainU. In AttainU, they train the students with the recorded daily live lectures and weekly assignments and the daily coding challenges. They also provide mentor sessions which are interactive and they give monthly tests. And also they give projects so that the concept whichever we have learned in the course, then we can use those concepts into the practical way. Here we have studied Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, DSA, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, completely MERN stack full development course, which is very much hype in the current industry. AttainU will provide mock interviews after the course, which are very much helpful for the students. They can test themselves and accordingly they can prepare. And they also keep on sending the job links so that the students can apply for the companies. And AttainU also will allot an SSC for the student. This person will be in touch with the student. They'll text and they'll be calling, and also they'll be sending the mails of links of the job, and we can apply for them. And they encourage us to apply more and more job applications regularly and get placed soon. So I would like to say a word for the current students. Practice well, do hard work, and you too can be placed in a very good company and be happy like me. And I suggest AttainU for the upcoming students. This is the best platform to learn and be placed and build your careers. Though I am a coding background student, there was a lot to learn from AttainU. I have done more hard work and practiced more so that I can get job and be placed in a good company. Now, for that practice and hard work which I have done, it paid me off today. I got a job and I'm here now. I would like to thank every instructor who have taught me and mentors who have taken care of me, and SSC Riddhi. She helped me more to apply jobs in a good companies, and I have got placed now. I would like to end by saying thank you to AttainU.